Traitor.
Wants to see the universe, wants to see it first. On a private plane, doesn't wanna ride commercial. He's so unique and he's so right, but he's so not right for me. And I don't wanna be that guy. Says he's gonna start a revolution, and I don't doubt it. But sometimes I think his vision's an illusion. No, he sees life through a different lens. He says it's part of the plan, but all I see is the chart going down. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. He says he could change the world. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. Says he wants a real one with no filters, and he's found her. But you better buckle up, 'cause he's going in.
Traitor.
He said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. Said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. Said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true.
Yeah. Started with a plan and a blank screen. Turn it to a blueprint for the whole team. Everyday people, big league dream. Log in, light up, data in my face, no love. I can see the story in the lines. Every candle talking about decline. Clarity, cut through the noise of me. Dashboard steady, hard on knees. I ain't guessing I got keys. Rob at the vision like why not them? Why can't a nurse straight like a top 10? Why can't a kid from a small town win? Give him the tools and watch him begin. Wealth charts, I'm reading my future in the sparks. Simplicity guiding me through the dark. Building it brick by brick, day by day. Yeah, we move with purpose and precision in our way. Modern minds making freedom from the way. Robbed you the map, now we chart our own page. Wealth charts, everyday people on their way. Numbers on the screen, but I see time. Minutes and the miles on the same grind. Smart tech turning into past. Risk in my hand, I can do the math. Split my screen, got my goals in view. Red, green, off, eating what I do. No more fear when the trend pulls back. I got rules, I don't gotta react. He built a lane for the rest of us. Trust in the system built on trust. Teacher and a trader, that's a double edge. Cutting out the doubt, putting hope in the wealth charts. I'm reading my future in the sparks. Simplicity guiding me through the dark. Building it brick by brick, day by day. Yeah, we move with purpose and precision in our way. Modern minds making freedom from the way. Robbed you the map, now we chart our own page. Wealth charts, everyday people on their way. Zoom out, I can see the life I pick. Zoom in, every level, every tick. One screen, but it's bigger than a trade. It's a promise to myself I'm gonna stay. Wealth chart, I'm reading my future in the sparks. Simplicity guiding me through the dark. Building it brick by brick, day by day. Yeah, we move with purpose and precision in our way. Modern minds making freedom from the waves. Robbed you the map, now we chart our own page. Wealth charts, everyday people on their way. Everyday people on their way. Everyday people on their way. Yeah, we call it the brick and flip.
Might see a move come your way, then dip. Oh, wick and flip. A move come your way, then dip. But once you catch the flip, then it goes up quick. So we bank on the move. Bank on the move. You gotta wait for the candle to close. The first move is not always the real move. You gotta wait for the candle to close. The first move is not always the real move. But once you catch the flip, then it goes up quick.
So we bank on the move. Bank, 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 bank,
Yeah. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah.
Pockets getting tight, it's the end of the month, and you finally see a setup and you wanna get in front. You know how you get in when you see a trade you want. You know how you get in when you see a trade you want.
I gotta be in.
The charge calling out your name, and you see the play you need to make, and you think, man, and I'm be sick if I miss it. The feel missing, now they got you acting different. Cause you just wanna go all in, and you know it probably gon' end up in a loss, man. It hard to just be patient, but you know you gotta wait for confirmation. 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 Ooh, I'm blessed. I could see a green line if I went blind, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Ooh, I'm blessed. If you see me on the rise, don't be surprised, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Now you know. At the bottom with my people, we gon' build us up a steeple. We just need a ladder, yeah, a long ladder. At the bottom with my people, we gon' build us up a steeple. We just need a ladder, yeah, a long ladder. Ooh, I'm blessed. I could see a green line if I went blind, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Ooh, I'm blessed. If you see me on the rise, don't be surprised, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Now you know. Man, I just dropped a couple hundred. Shares of fate like them good old boys, I ain't got much to say. to say no. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah, the light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah. Ooh, I'm blessed. Yeah. I can see a green line if I went blind, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Ooh, I'm blessed. If you see me on the rise, don't be surprised, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Now you know. The light was there the whole time. Yeah, the light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah, the light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah, the light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time.
She said take a left on Rodeo, only with the bros see the rainbow. She took me to the hideout, where the killers and the traitors. She said you better say your prayers. I said hallelujah. She said take a left on Rodeo, with the Brazilian rainbow. She took me to the hideout,
Where the killers and the traitors.
she said you better say your prayers. I said hallelujah.
The Underground Railroad, where the G's and the B's go.
G's and the B's.
The OGs know that. The OGs know that. Coaching Izzy that know. Where the B2Ps go. The OGs go there.
I just found my people, I just found my people, yeah.
The Underground Railroad,
To the ground, railroad,
yeah, yeah. Oh, I say hallelujah. Pull up to the function with the gang, riding in a Maybach with the case, cashing all these Porsches, what the play, roll up on the black, we getting paid. We just got off a flight from LA, welcome to the underground, hey. This is a sacred place.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I might hit a lick, I might trade a brick, with the G's and the B's, and we cashing out on trees, cause I came with spicy G, and we bout to run it up, cause you know it's us. The Underground Railroad, where the G's and the B's go. OGs know that, OGs know that, OGs know that, OGs know that. Coaching Izzy, they know. Where the B2Ps go, the BCPs. OGs know that, OGs know that, OGs know that. Ocean Izzy, they know. Where the BTPs, where the BTPs go.
Let's get in this. 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 I can be your number one. We know it's overdone, but I could give you something that could give you hope. No, no, you want a smart girl with her own job. She can talk shop. Says he's gonna start a revolution. I don't doubt it, but sometimes I think his vision's a delusion. No, he sees
For educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. All commentary represents personal opinions. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions and outcomes. Do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional. Viewing the show does not create an advisor-client relationship.
Welcome, everybody, to the Power Hour special featuring myself, Logan, the CSO, and Javi, the Maestro. It is March 9th, 2:46 p.m. We are trading the last hour of the market, first Power Hour of the week. Javi, how you doing, brother?
I'm good, bro. I just experienced a little bit of a trade of 8 freeze, and I had to get out of my thing early, and it's ripping the direction I wanted it to from 80. My entry was like the bounce of 80 3 times, and now it's going. Oh, well.
To hear
Is what it is.
Yeah.
Is
Yep,
what it
yep,
is.
yep.
But bro, tell us a little bit about your day. We got to hear about your day, man. You hit a hell of an achievement
Yes.
today.
So I have finally collected the final Infinity Stone. I have all the Infinity Stones. I have officially locked in a maximum withdrawal from Apex. $55,000 will be requested
Hell
tonight.
yeah.
All rules have been followed, everything done accordingly. $55,000 confirmed. 9 days of owning these Apex accounts. I have the original accounts, the OG ones with the intraday and everything like that. And it took me 9 days. I made $200,000 on the accounts, and I get to withdraw $55,000. And then we're going to do it again in 8 or 9 days. What's funny is Apex was my first prop that I've used, and I ran through transparently hundreds of their accounts. So I finally get my get back, and now I'm getting some payouts from them. So
Let's
huge.
go. Huge. Anybody still holding this long? If you guys aren't in the Discord, I kept saying it bouncing from 680. Scalped it 3 times, and now it's kind of running. You're still holding Shram? Good shit.
If we
I
can
mean, I
pop
have room to
above,
go.
yeah, if we pop above 13, Javi, I'll jump in with you.
I'm not in it anymore because my freaking trade evade glitched out. So I might see potential reentry if it does come back to 690. But if this thing continues to go, I have room all the way up to 730 potentially. I want to see it break 13. Yeah, you have an area at 13. I have an area at 13 and 18. That if it breaks through
Kathy, that is
there's
correct.
definitely some continuation.
Kathy.
Oh,
By the way,
Kathy's back.
Kathy's back, guys. Kathy's here. Kathy, that is correct. Money isn't real until it hits your bank account. Absolutely. So, what I'm going to do for you, Kathy, this is for you. Tonight, I'm going to make a video showing the login to Apex, all of my accounts, the payout withdrawal requests. And then, what I'll do again for you, Kathy, is I will show my bank statement showing the money moved into my bank account just for you, Kathy. And I will post it. It'll be on my social media pages, it'll be everywhere for you, Kathy. Okay.
And then I'll
That'll
write
be
that letter
done.
for corporate for you, just for you. I'll handwrite it
Yep.
myself. Okay.
Max, if needed, can contact Apex for verification and proof also if we need to do that. I don't think we need to go that far, but thank you as always, Kathy. We enjoy your input. I'm showing 2 1-minute charts again. You guys, I appreciate you guys.
Right, there's the 690 retap. The Dom is going crazy down here now. Do I want to see it pull up? If not, we're going to retest 680 again. Here's that pull up. I want it to be a little stronger.
Well Charts has entry dots at 720 and 24,708 on TradingView. Candles are all at the same levels though. So the entry is wrong. Let me see.
Huh?
I'm not on my Wealth Charts accounts right now.
Oh.
I'm on Trade of 8.
There's 690 again. Up there's 680 again. Let's see, does the Dom go crazy here or not again? 680. It is melting down pretty hard. And if this breaks the 680. Okay, there it goes. Nice bounce back up.
Add indicator.
84 and a quarter. Sauce box as well. This needs to hold that 80 area.
I don't see. Oh, I don't see any dotted lines. You're talking about they were there, now they're
There
not?
she goes. There she goes. Now we could be stuck in a range potentially, but there she goes again. That 680 area. I scalped that bad boy again. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Wait. What happened? Why did it take me out of... I only have one runner now. I mean, that might have been good. It went right up to the top of range at 704. I didn't hit anything. It took out 2 of my contracts. What the... Okay, something's wrong with my shit, but whatever. I'm for almost 470 so far. Just scalping that 680 area. I'm good. All right, it's good. Code hell no. Oh yeah, guys. If you guys haven't gone to check out the new maxoptionstrading.com website, go check it out. We got the sales on the courses 10% off. We've never put sales on the courses ever. Even the indicators have a little sale going on. And you get max bucks. So it's like you get money on top of money to spend later on. If you guys haven't gone to check out that website, go freaking check it out. Owen did an incredible job on it. Incredible. Okay, that 680 area. Now we need to see it break back over 705 if this needs to continue to potentially test that 618.13 area. But this is the range right now is between 705 and 680. Yeah, Kathy. And Kathy, also I'm still waiting on seeing if you have more payouts than I do. I'm still waiting for the proof of that too. Because I only showed a fraction of mine. At least like match the fraction that I shared. Because you made a bold claim and I want to see proof now. No, I don't need to see it, Kathy. If you're doing good, I'm going to cheer for you. I don't need anyone to prove anything to me. You do your thing. If you're for real, and you're successful, hats off.
Do you
to
guys
you,
use
okay?
wealth charts at all? Yes. The 55,000 that I'm requesting from Apex was 100% from wealth charts on wealth charts. All of my trades in the mornings have been on wealth charts for the most part.
Now the waiting game. SPX created a 5-minute level at 723.92. So we're going to be waiting to see if SPX wants to go down and fill this MVG below. Or nah. Everything's in a standstill. Do you guys use wealth charts? Yes, we use wealth charts. Yeah, Logan just said he uses his. All of our indicators are now on wealth charts as well. If you go to the website, you can just subscribe through there. You get them on both. All right, let's see. Let's see what happens at 680 this time. There we go again. 680 again. Dom does start to speed up down here. So there's definitely volume in this area.
Yes, still an entry if we pass through the blue lines. The blue lines disappear, there is no entry.
Okay, that bounce was weak. All right, here we go. 680. This 1-minute candle closes below 680. It might be a go time for that short down, or it's just going now. Okay, it's just going. That's okay. It's just gonna go. It's just gonna go. If it cannot break back over 680, then 668 would be next. We're really close to 668 already. And if 668 breaks, we have room all the way down, potentially to 47.
Don't forget, guys, today and today only, the indicators and courses are 10% off. Today and today only.
Only today. All right, 668's trying to get broken. There goes. Will it keep going or will you pull back up? The 1-minute candle.
Up through this 61, Javi.
Barely held on.
Trade. It's a tight trade. Do I want to take it? Gives me about 17 points of room until the next level. I don't think I'm going to take it.
Needs to stay underneath 680. If it does pull back up, it needs to stay under 680. So it needs to retest 680, reject it. SPX did go for that fill. There goes.
I'm going to be patient. I think I'll wait for the Black Friday deals. Buddy.
Good luck. We don't do shit like that. So good luck.
You guys preach on taking what the market gives you, but when do you know the move is done? We don't know when the move is done. The way
That's
that
why we
Javi
take
and
what the market gives us.
yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. The way that Javi and I trade is we follow it as much as we can. We have our trails, our runners, and
Oh,
when we get stopped
belts.
out, yeah. This is that short. I'm not going to take it though. I want a bigger move, but it does look good.
Yeah, the 680 break was clean, held, pulled back up, retested 74. I got in it with a few micros. I'm up 500 almost right now. I'm sitting right at 501. And yeah, that took me out 497 right there. A little pull up. I want to see it stay below 60. If it wants to keep going, I want to see it stay below 60. And that would be a break of the sauce box. And then we have 45. That could be next. So this can break through. There it goes. Can you keep going? It's popping itself back over 60. So it needs to stay underneath. Then we can make our little way down to around the 40s. 47. So we're almost there. That was a very nice short. 47. Next area. There it is. That's 49 and 75. This area holds. It might start pushing itself back up a little bit. We got a purple on the 5. And if 47 gives way, 620, 617 could be next. So this thing could start really pushing. SPX is dropping pretty hard. NQ is kind of stalling out a little bit. So there it is. There's that 47 jump. What did it hit? Didn't even hit 47. Hit 49.75. I'm up 539 right now. It feels really warm in here for some reason in the room. Amor, if you can hear me, turn the AC on. It's like almost 80 degrees outside right now. It is on? Okay. Oh, there's that push to 45. It spiked hard off of it. Look at that wick. A hard spike. There was that 45 area that hit. Bomb is going crazy now in this area. It is speeding up. The 5-minute is looking bearish for me, so this could just pull a tiny bit up. It might not be that strong. Never mind. I spoke too soon. She's showing some strength.
Yes, there's a slight deviation on wealth charts and trading view. They're fixing it right now. Shouldn't be anything too crazy. Is there payouts? Apex have uncapped payouts only if you have the old ones, not the new ones. Only if you have the old accounts do you get uncapped payouts after your 6th payout, which I have, which is great. So I'm going to try and beat the record.
Oh, yeah.
Logan is the silent assassin, not much bullshitting, just an occasional wait, then a crusher of a trade. Something like that. So the strategy you use for that payout you share with your students and not Pivot Hunter owners, correct?
Oh, look at that jump. That held that
Yes and no.
45 level beautifully. Yes. I'm up almost 660 now. Here's the bearing and everything I'm looking for. Oh my goodness.
I have a few different strategies. The one that just got this $55,000 payout was from one strategy. The other times when I trade outside of immediate New York Open, I trade the Pivot Hunter Pro like I'm doing now. So it's all dependent on how you trade and how you want to trade. Got 1,200 on the short on the indicator. Good job, George.
Very nice. Anybody catch that bounce off 47? Or actually pulled down to 42. Held that 45 level beautifully. The short from 80. You did, Ferro. Good job. Now, Let's see if it can't pull itself back up to 80. Then let's see what it wants to do next. That'll be it. This is what it gives me, right? This is what I took. I got trailed down on the back, on that pullback on my last runner. I'm up 646 currently.
Do you mind sharing your quick settings when using Pivot Hunter? I don't change any of my settings, Striker. My settings for PHP are exactly the standard settings. You don't need to change anything. It should stay exactly how it is.
All right, next. We're going to test that bottom area again. That 45, this needs to break that 45, 47 area, which means a break. When I'm saying a break, I mean candle closure. And that bounced beautifully from it. Now,
Show your positions. I'm not in a position.
I was in a short and then a long. 20 point short, 20 point long.
Anyone know why my trading view is so lagged? I have a premium account and P&L has some latency when I trade. Take that up with your broker.
I don't know why TradingView is so lagged. I have premium account P&L. Yeah, when I don't trade on TradingView specifically for that reason, your favorite. I experienced that quite a bit. And that's why I trade off Trade of 8's Super Dom.
I don't know what Striker. I don't know what you're asking me, Striker. Are you asking for my TP and stop loss? Because I'm not giving that. That's my own personal risk management. That has nothing to do with the indicator.
You didn't find the credit card, Chris? Win at Maestro will get an Apex. Hopefully soon. I got 2 of those new ones I'm working on. I got 2 PAs that I'm slowly working on. I'm currently at 800 on one and almost 900 on the other. 835 on the other.
Pivot Hunter's on TradingView, and it's all indicators and MOT are on TradingView and on wealth charts.
And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 evals I'm still working on as well. Five-minute is looking pretty beary for me. If this can continue to start staying underneath that 680 for sure. But if this next 5-minute candle closes underneath 664, 663, it will form a level there. We could see that push down to 617. It would need to get through 645. Breaking through that. Whoa. Currently testing that 645 again. Ooh, that's a weak bounce. It's trying to break through it.
Where does everyone live? I live in South Florida.
Currently Maryland. I'll be moving to Florida in a few months. It's already freaking March. We're actually going there in less than 3 weeks to go hunting for where we're going to be staying. 3 weeks. Can't believe it.
In 3 weeks, I will be in Turks and Caicos.
That sounds nice. Oh, we're gonna have to bring that up. There, I know I'll be able to come in on Friday. Thursday, I don't know. I think are you requested that Thursday, and that's when our flight is. I completely forgot about that.
Just gonna be no power hour.
Yeah, guys will be screwed.
Friday I'll be off. Thursday I'll be there.
Okay, sweet. Then it'll work out perfectly then, because I'll be Friday.
Cool.
Sweet. Nice, man. All right. It's
Yeah.
Dom's going crazy here. If it cannot break back over 45, we're coming down. We're coming down. This thing needs to start to stay underneath 45. It
What
could
made me
retest 50, but if
decide?
it breaks back over, if this 1 minute candle closes back over, there it is. See, pushing back over. We're still going to test this area. This 45 needs to break and hold. Actually, the breaking candle is this guy. So this needs to stay under 660. The breaking candle, I looked at the wrong breaking candle. This needs to start staying underneath 660, which would be where that 5-minute level is going to form. So let me see. I want to begin a short entry up here around 653. Set the stop right at like 665, maybe? About 12-point stop loss, so I'd have to play it light. Let's see. Oh man, my 1 minute's trying to cross up as well. 5 minutes still has about a minute left to go. I'm on the fence on this trade right now because this is still stuck in a potential chop zone between 45 and 65. I want to see that 5-minute close underneath 60. Still has about a minute to go. Yeah, see, it's pulling itself back up, so it's immediately testing that area.
Why did I choose Turks and Caicos? So my girlfriend loves Turks. It's like the only place she's been to outside of the country. She's been there like twice for her birthday. And then my family coincidentally messaged me saying, "Hey, do you want to go to Turks and Caicos? We got some of the family members going out there. We're going to do some scuba diving, snorkeling." And they invited me, and I said, "I'll go if my girlfriend can come." And they're like, "Yeah, absolutely." And so, yeah, that's what I'm doing. But it ended up being where most of the time I'm not even. We got our own flights, our own hotel. My family just happens to be on the island at this point now, but yeah. 11 twice. I'm trying to go diving. You have to know how to swim first.
That's what's up. 690 is all the way up there. 671.
I can swim. Right.
All right, this 5 minutes going to close way too close to the 660 area. I'm not fully sold on it, but it's still looking bearish to me on the 5. I just would have loved this 5-minute to close a little bit below that 663. So as long as it kind of tests this area up here, it could just start bouncing around. Yeah, see, that's why exactly what I was anticipating when it pulled itself back up there. Brand new 5-minute candle is gonna mess around, and we could push all the way back up to 690 now. Retest the whole 5-minute purple candle. I'm just gonna sit on my hands a little bit longer. Ooh, there's a gold MVG up here at 721.21. This one. How much do I have on this one? Oh yeah, there's just racing up here to 690. I would look for 690 to hold if it does get up there. And if it breaks 690, then the 5-minute does want to continue to go up because the 5-minute might have made a potential higher low here.
Pop through 681. I'll take a trade. Yeah, I'll
For
take a trade.
long,
Pop through 681. I'll take a long.
I'll want to wait for 690 to break. For the time being, I'll be shorting 690. until it breaks.
Everybody, stop DMing me. I'm not going to answer, especially people who are trying to start a call with me. That's weird.
Wait, what? Someone's trying to start a call with you?
Yeah.
Right, let's see what you got going here. We're pushing.
All right,
up
here we
a little
go.
bit again.
And not yet. Not yet. Nope, just bounced right off of it. I need a print through of this new higher high right here through 682-ish area. I need some volume. And I'm going to jump into a long trim before the 708 area. But we're going to wait patiently. Wait. Not yet. Not yet. Wait. Nope, nothing yet. We're just testing
Still
the
looking
entry line.
short.
Yeah,
Under
it might just
650.
want to do your short,
Yeah.
Javi. Yeah, it might just want to do
Yeah.
your short. Yep, and that's why we're patient. Mr. Montura,
Ooh.
you typing in all capital isn't going to get a response from us.
Huh?
We don't think about any of that stuff.
Well, who's typing in call capitals?
I don't know. I'm not going to entertain it.
Uh,
And it looks like that long is going to be invalidated, which is a good thing that we were patient. Watch this blue dotted line will disappear. And there it goes. No trade. Patience, patience.
I'm working on another Apex. I got 2 accounts already. On that one account, it says 646. Currently shorted that top area just a little bit. I'm only up $50 right now. I got entered in at the 78. As long as it held below 80, I liked it. Or below 90, I'm sorry, below 80, below 90. As long as it doesn't break that 90 area. We're just playing in power hour chop as normal. Power hour chop as normal. Turn it up. Turn. Can someone please fix the volume? Kanish, you can fix the volume on your own. You could hit the little 3 dots you see on us, and you could put the volume up on each individual one of us. I don't want to hurt everyone's ears. I was about to just yell, "Can you hear me now?" But then everyone's ears are going to pop. I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that to y'all. All right, 5 minute. Oh, this blue did stay. It's a very bullish looking blue. I mean, bearish looking blue, but 5 needs to break back under 660. So 5 minute range, 690, 660. 5 minute range, 690, 660. So if 660 can start giving way, then we may see some more push down, 690 on the way up. And then below 660, still that 647, 645 area where it previously bounced. So serious. Mr. Abalabalaba Bishka Santis asking, why so serious? Mr. Logie Poo.
Oh, I'm just sorry. I'm just collecting data. This is what I've been doing. My autism has been very high over the last 2 weeks, which is why I'm so profitable right now. It's just been like my spectrum level is far more to one side than it usually is, which has vastly improved my trading. But it also makes me do a bunch of other extra work that I don't need to be. So I'm like constantly testing stuff when I'm bored and doing other things that aren't necessary.
Right there with you. Oh my god, look at that. 664 Ripper. Holy crap. What was that? Who said something? Someone said something. All right. Rejecting 690 again so far. They were hit all the way up here. I had that candle up at 613, 611, and then 618. I'm sorry, 718, and then 712.25 to be exact. So if this 5-minute can start holding above 690, that was a random ass big spike up candle. Who tweeted? That 660 area did hold beautifully. I got trailed out immediately. Pop up on the second account. So it can still start to hold over 690. There will be a chance you'll test some of that wick. But if it doesn't, back into the range. Back into the range. And there's my shit phrasing again. Oh, yeah, baby. Look at that. That was a random ass ripper that came out of nowhere. 5-minute has a whole minute left. Whole minute left. Let's see what it wants to do on this last minute.
I think Logan's trading has really changed in the last few months and profitability. Not sure what's changed, but I can only attribute all of his success to his recent dating life. Alyssa has made a profitable trader. She must have taught him some techniques.
Here it is again. What is going on? Is there news? What is this? They just ripped up again. What is going on right now? Oh my god. What is happening right now?
Wait,
I'm
I'm
full
long.
port
Going long.
longs.
I'm going long. I'm
I
going
went
long.
long.
Going
I went
long.
long too.
Going long. I'm going
I was
long.
like,
It printed
fuck
through the
this.
pivot 100 level.
Dude, I just
Wow, TP
collected.
hit.
Oh my
All
god.
contracts rolling. We're ripping. Oh man. Oh man.
Oh my
Oh
god,
man.
dude.
Oh man. We're ripping. We're ripping.
It's
We're
ripping.
ripping. I'm up $2,000. We're ripping. Oh my gosh. 60
What
points. Holding.
in the hell was
Holding
that?
70 points. 80 points.
Dude, 80 points out of nowhere.
I just made
$803
$2,000.
is the
I'm
next
out.
area.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
Wow, dude. We both caught that right on the money. Right on the
Nice.
money. We both were like full porting long. You were like, I'm in the long.
I didn't even full port it. It just passed the pivot level. I got in with 3 minis. That was
803
beautiful.
is the next area. That was incredible, bro.
Wow.
Wow.
That was easy.
That was insanely easy. All right, we're done.
I'm done for the day. I'm done. I just made $9,000 on that trade. I just made $9,000 on that trade with 3 minis. You guys, fuck yeah. 1 minute candle, 100 points, 3 minis, boom.
That was too insane to ignore.
Fuck yeah.
Just the push on that was just ridiculous. But what was that? Trump said the war could be done soon. Really? That's what caused that? Could be. It could
That
be.
wasn't even like a degen trade. That was just like testing
No,
the entry,
wasn't.
testing entry. Okay, we're good. New higher high. New higher high of the day. Easy long. Oh my gosh, it's still going. I'm out, but
dude,
that was easy.
It's still going.
That was a pure PHP trade for me, guys. Hobby saw some of his stuff in there too. Easy money.
I ripped through all my levels like it was nothing, and it beautifully held. The Dom is going buck wild right now. Like insanely buck wild. Like holy shit. Like sauce box rejection right now. I just caught a little bit of that. And I'm out. Damn, that was a quick ass $300 right there.
That was
holy crap.
That was the easiest trade of my entire life. Yeah.
That was
I wasn't even paying attention. I was on my phone. I heard you, Javi, go again, and oh shit, okay.
Yeah,
right, let's press buy. Fucking
that, that was insane. I was like, fuck that. I could not ignore that. That was
That was just
insane push up.
yeah, it was just it perfectly executed for me. I'm actually done for the day, guys. I'm not kidding. I'm actually done. I just made $9,000. I'm done.
This lost box area right now needs to hold over 70 if this is going to continue to go up. I got one runner running. Holy crap, dude, this is insane. I'm up 940 now on this other account. Like obviously I didn't full port it. So 940 on one account, 663 on the other that I started. And then ended up, where's my other one?
Logan, did you get your Apex payout? I did, Mandy. Well, technically speaking, I didn't get it yet, but I met all requirements. So today I will be requesting $55,000 from Apex. It took me 9 days. I made $200,000. I've passed the buffer. I've hit the consistency. I've done everything. And I've just hit a max allocation of $55,000. Yes, Junks, I will record it. It will be recorded. I will go through, I will log into my Apex, show me logging into Apex. I will show all my accounts. I will show me requesting the payout. And then I will show it going into my bank account, showing the statement also. I'm going to show all the proof of showing me withdraw the $55,000.
All right, next area would be 93, then 913, if this wants to keep going. 93, then 913, if it's going to keep going. I'm going to take advantage of some of this volatility.
Davey goes, I only take trades based on the vocal volume of the hosts. Yeah. Yeah, Javi and I just get louder. Just pay attention. Yeah.
Yeah, this volatility is crazy right now. Holy shit, those rejections are wild. Oh my god, these rejections are wild. Wow, this is yeah. There's a level of 693, almost got tapped. Third account. Oh my gosh, I'm up 40 points right now. 40 points off that 93 rejection. It hit 90. It didn't even hit 93. And I'm out. Woo! I love power hours like this.
Yeah.
But hopefully everyone go hit that lockout button if you're green right now. Go hit that damn lockout button. I locked myself out of my pros.
I
today.
did, didn't I? Big Ollie. I forgot. Javi, you probably heard me this morning because so we caught the initial move right in the morning and then it was chopped. And what did I say? I said this, and Javi, you already know this, of course, but I was like, the morning is so choppy, which means we're going to have a big move during power hour. 100-point candle.
Yeah.
It's like right there.
Insane, dude. You did say that.
Yep.
And I wasn't dude, that was ridiculous.
Yeah.
It was funny is because it happened once. It gave you like the precursor. And then it just like it's like somebody heard about it, right? Like somebody in the market was like, "Oh, there's news coming." And then okay, wait, do we got confirmation yet? No. And then they got the confirmation and then explosion. That was insane. All right, so we're at right now this 90 area, this 890 area is the current resistance point. Then after that, 913, after 913, 944. 5 minutes breaking through a lot of bearish barriers right now. This is a tippy tip break here at 66. It started to curl down a little bit. There it goes back up. It's going to give another push maybe to that 93 or nah. Or nah. I don't know. I don't know what it wants to do right now. The movements are very wild. Might give the push to 913. There it goes. Needs to hold over 90 if it's going to keep going. And then 913 could be next. It's getting really close. It's 902 right now. That 902. Yeah, this new account. Oh my God, there it goes. All right, there's 913, 912. It hit 912. I got my runner got tailed out right there. There's 913. Boom. 913.25.
Yeah, it's a long opportunity
Yeah,
for you guys. I'm
yeah.
not jumping in this because I'm done for the day, but this is a great long opportunity right here.
Breaks that. Next would be 944. If it can
Yep.
break and hold above it, 944 will be the next area.
Oh,
This
there
thing's
you
just
go.
steamrolling.
Yep, there
Look
you
at
go.
this. Look at that.
Look at that go. Look at that go. Ripping.
Some of this 887 area. But as long as it can hold that 913, we're definitely going to keep pumping. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I can't even get out of that. And that bounced right off that break at 886. Just like I said, it was going to pull down to the 886 area. Bounce clean off of it. Now let's see if we continue our track up to that 940. There it goes. 938. 944 would be that next area. There it is. 948. 54 would be the next area to break if it's going to keep going. Look at that rejection at these areas, guys. Look at that. 48 pulled down 30 points. And there's my computer or my shit freezing again. I think it's my computer actually. Clean moves. Clean moves. This is just going from level to level right now. Clean moves. Breaks through this next area. This whole area. I got 44, 54, then 63. Then we have room back to 25,018. Holy shit.
This is going nuts.
It's just nonstop. It's nonstop. It's a big Hulk queen right here. All right, this needs to start closing above 54 and holding. And it did. There goes. Next, next, next. All the way up to 25,018. If it can continue to push up. What a fucking long, dude. This is insane. These pullbacks are scary. So 20. Oh, never mind. I actually spoke too soon. This 1 minute level did not break yet. This 24,954 did not fully break. The candle closed below it. That level is still in play. Next area it can retest if this pulls all the way back down to it. Yeah, look at that go. 908. There it is, 908. Does it bounce from here or will it pull down? It's pulling down below it. Break 908 back to 887 again. If it can hold below it. Are you going to hold it? Yep, there it goes. Needs to pull itself back up. Beautifully, beautifully. And I just passed an eval on that. Just passed an eval on that. Oh my God. Teleportation. Teleportation. Just passed an Apex eval on that. Apex. What the hell am I saying? Apex. Apex. There we go. Third PA locked and loaded.
Good shit.
Let's see which one can I work on next. Let's see. Let's see what I can do with this one. Coyote, I keep saying, if it breaks this, if it holds this, right? If it goes through this is all I'm looking at. My levels are holding. You see these purple lines, those are previous broken bearish candles. Everything you need to follow my trading style is on my YouTube channel. Quantum Shift. That's my strategy. Quantum Shift is my main strat, the only strat that I use. All the other things I use are confluences. Everything you need to learn how to trade like me is up there on my YouTube channel.
Good job, Karma.
Everything. All right, here we go. 54 finally breaking. This 1 minute has to close above it. And it could keep going here. It's going to retest that area maybe once, maybe twice. These bleed throughs are violent. So if it does get all the way back down there, it could bleed through a little bit. But if it can't hold it, right, 5 seconds left for that candle to close. And these pushes are just violent. There it goes. Look at that. There's just no chill. Look at
ATR is
that. Oh my
huge
God.
right now.
It's huge right now. Look, right?
Wow.
Look, I'm in at 61. I'm up $200 on 3 micros right now. Oh my gosh, guys. Did I not say 54 breaks? Blah, blah, blah. I keep saying the same things over and over again. Y'all need to listen, right? I'm calling out levels. I'm calling out areas. In a blink of an eye, I just loaded up another account. 3 micros, $136. Well, didn't load this one up, just working on it. Continuation of working on it. Right now, we could retest again that area. Right? What the market does, moves, pullbacks, moves, pullbacks. Oh my God, all right, we're just casually up, right? 54 broke, we're just casually up 30 some points from 54, right? Don't expect to be spoon-fed while in the trading world. Don't expect to be spoon-fed. Y'all have to be able to do a little bit of work and research on your own. Look at that beauty. Beauty, beauty, beauty. 2518 is still potentially in play if this thing can continue to break. Obviously, psychological level at 25,000. It got to 24.99. 24.999. So now it's going to retest that whole bottom area all the way back down to that 63 area.
It's just gone up 300 points.
Dude,
Since that initial rip, that first trade that we caught, it's 100 points. I'm done, guys. Like I said, I've logged out. I'm good. I made 9 bands, but this is terrific.
We YOLO'd the shit out of that.
I didn't even YOLO mine. I just went in with my normal contract size.
I couldn't YOLO. I couldn't get into many contracts. I think I ended up getting in with 5 micros.
Just
but we YOLO down here at 720, like 730, 740, whatever we got in. This thing is at 300 points later. Insane. And it's still going, right? And I've been calling out levels for you guys, but obviously some of you guys are gonna be like, you guys aren't saying nothing. Oh, you're going to whiny crybabies. Not everybody. Obviously, I love
Good job,
you.
Alaskan Hog. Good job, Alaskan Hog. Good work.
There you go, Alaskan. First crazy power hour money. I just love it, right? Because I love watching other people. Okay, like both in the bedroom and in the trading world. Okay, I love watching other people. Wife knows. Anyway, the haters are all the same for everybody, no matter what level they are at. They could be renowned. It doesn't matter. And forget about what you just said, y'all, right? Listen to what I'm saying right now, okay? I don't want everyone to get stuck on the past. Think about the future, okay? Think about what I'm saying right now, okay? Haters exist in all sorts of levels, but it doesn't matter what level you're at. It doesn't matter what kind of calls you call. You can be perfect, right? Nobody in this game is perfect. They're still going to have haters. I'm not perfect. I'm far from it. But we hit a bunch of bangers today. And guess what? It doesn't matter. To some, we're always going to be scammers, fakes, right? Our payouts are photoshopped, AI'd, or whatever the hell they want to believe. It's just reality. Got to move on. Okay? I'm living a happy life. I had an amazing fucking weekend. Got to go to the zoo with the family. We've got to watch a movie.
I had a really good weekend,
dude.
Yeah.
I didn't have to worry about my phone ringing, like my days off in the past used to
Oh,
be
wait, Javi, sorry to cut
days
you off.
off.
You're gonna like this.
Man,
You're gonna like this.
go
This
ahead.
shit
Let's
pissed
go.
me the fuck off. I fucking had no
Go.
bearing. All right, so you're gonna like this. You're gonna like this. I'm with my girl, right? And we're like, I was like, you know what? I was straight up. I was looking at my socks and my boxers, and I was like, I got way too many holes. I got way too many holes in my socks and boxers. With how much money I make, I should not be dressed like I'm fucking homeless. So I was like, let's go shopping. I'll get you something too. And she was like, fuck yeah, let's
Oh
go.
yes.
Right. So we go shopping
Uh-huh.
and we're going to Boca and we're like, let's just go to the Boca Mall. We'll go to Saks and Fifth Ave. I was like, you want some designer shit? I'll get you some shoes or something. Why not? Right. We walk in. I'm wearing how I fucking normally dress. I'm wearing a fucking t-shirt, sweatpants, sneakers. She's wearing like kind of gymish clothes also, right? Whatever. Oh no, she's wearing jeans. Yeah, she's wearing jeans, whatever. And so we go in, and these fucking 3 people working inside. It's this old bitch and this dude who limp wristed, for lack of better words. I just hear them straight up talking
25-18
shit.
hit, by the way.
Bro, they're just straight up talking shit. And she goes, yeah, she's like, see how people are just walking in here, just in casual clothes, denim and stuff. And then I'm sitting down and Alyssa's on her like 3rd pair of shoes that she's trying that I'm gonna pay for. 3rd pair of shoes at Saks and Fifth Ave, Chanel shoes. Okay. And this lady wants to go and talks about, oh, you know, back in the day when people would walk in, they would get like denied and they wouldn't be allowed in. You know, we had these people who come in with old money. And so there's this guy who's helping us. And I look at him and I said, hey, buddy, you know your coworkers? They got some big fucking mouths. I said, why don't they focus on getting us our shoes? Who are you? I'm over here fucking cool. I'm not dressed like fucking old money or wearing a bunch of designer shit, but we're in here in a Chanel store buying a bunch of nice fucking expensive shoes. And you, who's working behind the counter, has the audacity to talk shit about how I'm dressed because I'm not dressed all bougie and shit. Get the fuck out of here. Shut the fuck up and go get my shoes. And I literally talked to the guy and I go, hey, you need to tell them to shut the fuck up and they have big mouths. I literally said that fucking right in front of them because I was so pissed off.
Go, dude. I love
like,
that.
Who
I would have been
cares?
clapping for you. I would have been like,
Oh, like who cares how I'm dressed? Who cares how I look? And then one guy goes, oh, well, you know, influencers, they can get any money. They make money now. And so I was gonna be like, yeah, dude, I do. Go get my fucking shoes. Like, I don't talk shit about anybody in their financial situation. I don't talk shit about how people are dressed. I don't care, right? You have your life, I have my life. But if I'm coming into your store and buying your shit, you're going to try and talk shit about the way that I'm dressed? Get the fuck out of here. That shit made me so mad. Like,
I love
who
that
cares?
shit, man.
Like,
Yeah.
There's a funny, I think there's a movie, I think DMX is in it. And he goes in and he goes to buy a fucking Lambo, Ferrari. And they're like, sir.
Yes. Yes.
You can't get this.
Yeah.
And
I
he's
know
like,
it. Yeah.
really? He pays in cash and he goes,
Cash.
you get commission. You go sign the paperwork.
Yeah. Yep. I love that
Cradle
scene.
to the grave.
I
Yeah.
love that shit, dude. Yeah. Oh, that's a yeah. Oh man, you don't understand that shit sets me off every time. Every time.
Yeah.
You've probably made in the last couple days you've made than they've made the entire freaking couple years. Like they don't and they judge. They immediately judge. It's just like, just shut the fuck up and do your job, right? I'm not
Yeah.
gonna be sitting here and judging everyone else. Like I just don't. Like right. Like when I was working at the restaurant industry, I know there were bougie, fancy people, right? The only time I got pissed at them was when they treated me like
Right.
very disrespectfully. That's it.
Right.
Other than that,
Right.
I don't care. I don't care what
Right.
you do, man. If you're here, you know, you're spending your money, you spend your money, you know, do whatever. But the last thing you should be doing is judging people by the way that they're, especially by the way they're dressed. Because I dress like a hobo every fucking day.
Yeah. Well, I
straight
dress
up.
comfortable. And then here's the thing that I was like, that's funny. Look how Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, look how the richest people in the world, look at Bill Gates. Do they dress in a bunch of designer bougie shit? No, they're wearing
No.
Skechers and fucking shorts. Look at Zuckerberg,
Dude,
the rich people in the world.
poor,
I like to be comfortable.
My favorite thing that I've heard: the poor dress to look rich. The rich don't give a fuck.
Exactly.
Like simple as that.
Exactly.
Everyone wants a brand new Lamborghini or whatever, or the M4, the new fucking BMW. They want to look rich, and then they're living paycheck to paycheck, struggling just to look like you have money that you don't have. Like, get your shit together. That's that. You know why I know that? Because I used to do that shit. Like, if you guys saw the car I used to have back in the day, I used to have this 2003 Charger, and I souped the shit out of it. And I colored it. It was all Redskins colors too. A two-toned burgundy and gold. I had the rims. I did all that shit. I used to have a truck. I put spinners on that fucker too. And I spent so much damn money on that car. And I regret it. Like 15 years later, I'm like, damn, do you understand how much I could have invested with that money? Or
Yep.
how many trips I could have taken with that money? And
Also,
that's now
yes,
thinking of the old head.
I did. I also did buy her 3 pairs of shoes, and then I looked at the people as I walked out, and I was like, "Are you just upset because?" And I wanted to look at the old fucking bitch, and I'm gonna be like, "You're just upset because your husband probably left you because you're just a narcissistic c word
Yeah.
and has nothing to do with you."
She hasn't
Did I
gotten
pay
laid
cash?
in
Yeah,
who
of
knows
course I
how
paid
long. You know,
cash.
it's like opening up a dusty book, right?
Yeah,
Dust
yeah,
clouds
yeah,
coming out.
exactly. Don't get upset with me because your life isn't good and her life is nice and fancy shoes. 3 pairs of Chanel shoes, Chanel sunglasses. She's happy. That lady's a whiny, dried up bag of dirt.
Dude, the sauce box short is shortened. I'm up $1,000 on this other account just on that sauce box short. I had one runner running. And here's for the people in the Discord.
I
Get
just
to see the
hate
sauce box to sauce box.
people that judge other people for no reason. You can judge me if I'm an asshole or when I open up my mouth. You can instantly judge me. Most people do. And that's fine. But don't judge me or anybody on their appearance. Don't judge a book by its cover. That's where you're wrong.
Yep. That one, that one, I think. God, it is so hot in here. Why is it so hot in here? My room is insanely hot right now, dude. I feel like I'm gonna start sweating soon.
I digress.
These are my Apex accounts right here. I haven't even touched them all.
Logan, your experience reminds me of King Jai Singh Prabkabar, who was once humiliated by
I'm
Rolls
turning on
Royce,
the fan.
only to later buy several of them and use them to clean the streets. That's a great story. I fuck with that story. That's pretty cool. You guys, all these girls keep saying Pretty Woman. I don't know what Pretty Woman is. I think it's a movie with.
Isn't that Pretty Woman is with what's that lady's name? Yeah, is it Julia Roberts? My wife knows all their names.
Trump says war could be over soon. So
Could
okay,
be.
one person said Trump says war is coming. Another person said Trump said war is coming soon.
Yeah,
I saw
beware.
somewhere on the news that like 170 soldiers got captured. I don't know what's going on anymore. All I'm paying attention to is do we have a green candle or a red candle on my clicking buy or sell?
Yep.
The rest of that stuff, not my problem.
Oh, I missed an account on here. Oh well. All right. Yeah. It's that thing says it's 80 in here, but I just turned the thing on. I don't know. It feels like super hot in here. I think she's trying to cook me, guys.
This looks
I
like
can
me with a
smell the
tank top.
bacon. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Okay,
I'm
Julia Roberts with a
kidding.
tank
I
top.
love my wife. I love my wife.
Oh fuck! I was gonna say I'm done trading, but we still have another 14 minutes of power hour.
We still got MOC in about three minutes and 40 seconds. Do I have an account I want to? I mean, I have those Apex accounts I can still mess with. I locked myself out of TPT already. I already hit my funded accounts. Already, the majority of them have already been hit and done. My Lucids, yeah. Tradeify. Do I have anything on Tradeify I'm working on? Let me take a peek. Sees. Oh wait, I have wealth charts. I have. Yeah, yeah. I don't think I have anything in here. Already fixed. Already worked on that one. Already worked on that one. Already worked on that one. Yeah, that one's had fun on that one. All right. Close all these out. These levels have all been broken.
How many accounts do you typically have at a given time? So right now, I currently 43. I had 47, but I don't.
Had fun.
I had 4,700, but I don't. I have 43 now. One of the
Hey.
prop firms, I dropped because I want to see their new accounts.
I did. Well, no. I mean, everyone. I already explained. I had my tilt week a couple weeks ago now. So I had like 40, 48 or 49. I currently have 35.
Yeah.
So 13 casualties.
I didn't really know. I had 47, and now.
Yeah.
How do I
Yeah.
put this? They're no longer with us.
They're no longer. They've been put to pasture.
Exactly. We had to put them down. They're getting old, I guess. I don't know. Maybe one was sick.
Yep. Had to put old little Tradeify Yeller down
Yeah.
with that pump shotgun. Because for some reason, you want to just take it out on a big blast.
No, I'll be
Poor
honest with you
good old
guys.
Yeller.
I wasn't. It was my 4 FFF accounts. I wasn't taking them serious. I was messing around with them. I got excited when I heard about their new prop plan coming out. So I took my fundeds even less serious because I was like, I don't care what happens to these. They got this new plan. It looks sick, and I was just trading like an idiot. To be completely transparent.
Yeah, I do the same thing.
Yeah.
I do the exact same thing because I want to test new plans out. I love to
Yeah.
test new plans out.
Yeah.
And I'm like, well, time to YOLO you against my own setup and then die. And then I'm like,
Yeah.
yeah.
Let me fade myself real quick.
Yeah. Gotta get rid of these. All right, MOC is in less than a minute. I have no levels. The only level I have right now is this 2-minute level at 25,007. And then this one that previously got broken at 24,996. 24,996. So for me, if it stays below 24,996, definitely room down. It has a hell of a lot of room down. So much freaking room down. Let's see what SPX is. SPX near a level? It's near a 5-minute level, but SPX is kind of floating the exact same way. And I kind of feel like that Trump saying could, right? Not a strong, to me, could is not that strong. There it goes. So yeah, I took that short just based on that. There it goes. Oh my god. I can't even set my trail right. Well, I just made quick $200 on this new account. I didn't even get to say anything because I realized how close we were to MOC. I had 2 contracts on the short. Right to that 49. If it breaks 49, this could keep going. Well, that was an easy underneath 96. Nice drop. I just feel like the could part, right? You know, didn't sell me.
I'll tell you guys. I said this before. I don't know if I said this to you guys, but I told my students this, and I don't know if I told you this.
Break
Javi.
49. Yeah.
The turnaround month for me, when I was like, okay, this is like really it, was March of last year. About 4 or 5 months into my trading journey was when like I really started to become consistent. And this month right now for me might be, knock on wood, might be one of my most profitable months if I stay consistent to where I'm at. Because you guys only know about my Apex accounts. I've been racking in payouts on all my other prop firms also. This might be my biggest month to date, which is going to be pretty cool. And I'll looking forward to posting about it. But it's crazy.
Bros, always take out your money daily. Even if you just put it in the wallet. Do not leave money in there. I take out even if I make $150, I'll take it out. That 150 will potentially reload another account for me, right? That's
never know when you're going to go on tilt or something's going to happen.
Yes. always pay yourself. Always, 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 always. All right, this thing is floating around this 49 area. Doesn't fully want to break it. So it looks like it's hanging on to dear life for it. Could retest at 95. Retest 95. Rejects, but right now what we got that 355 coming in soon hot. Yeah, it's not doing much. 49 needs to give way. Like it needs to really start pulling underneath and holding underneath if this is going to keep going down, down. Yeah. All right, oil back to 85. Oil pumped. Okay, there goes the short. There finally goes. Let's see if it can keep pushing through and bleeding through. If not, this thing is just going to keep bouncing around in this little area. I want to see that really start holding underneath here, and then we get a potential big meltdown. Potential, but I don't want to see it keep popping back over that freaking 49.50 area, because then it's just going to be stuck in a range. That's it. Honestly, that's it. My runner's going to get taken out if it pulls back over 55, and there it goes. Take it out. Could it keep going? Maybe. Strat 6 works with me sometimes. Sometimes it doesn't. Strat 6 is currently in play with Javi too. It works. Oh, never mind. Never mind. It is
That's my
fighting that
second
freaking
trade.
bottom area.
Going to trade them
Oh, we
individually
got a
for a
blue
bit.
candle here.
I'm not good enough for copy trading. You guys have helped for sure. No problem. 8-cylinder. Roughly how much money or accounts did you need to burn before you figured it out? Approximate.
A lot.
Mike, unfortunately, I was full-blown degenning for the first few months. Well, I'll tell you this. Before I even purchased a course, before I even educated myself through the Max Way, I had spent probably $20,000 that I threw down the drain.
Are you
Just
fighting?
thinking I thought I just could. It was all money I saved up that I got from the VA, and I think I just was like, I'll figure this out. I'll be good. And I just was like full porting Apex accounts, just rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, and it wasn't working.
There's 355 volume. Now can it
yeah.
go? Nope. It's still just not. Doesn't want to do anything. It's stuck right here. It's stuck in the zone. There's a little bit of a push up. It's just stuck in the zone. If it pushes up, it's going to retest 96 potentially. But it's got to break underneath. Now it had a blue candle built up at 930. What is this? 939. So we need to break underneath that. Then it would need to break underneath 80 to test 96. This is just stuck in this range between 40 and let's say 80.
We need 200 likes on YouTube. We have 65. We need 200 likes on YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube. Y'all slacking. A lot of hating.
Dude, trading has just been so easy lately. It's been so easy.
Yeah.
Knock on wood, but like.
There goes retesting that top area. Draw my little lines here. Needs to break through that 80. There it is at 80. Then it'll tap 96 potentially if it can hold above. Early rejected. But
Shut
barely.
up, 10 head. I see you 10 head in YouTube. Shut up.
Yeah, 10 head. Who are you?
He's Isaiah and many other people in here.
Oh.
I'm not falling for your tricks anymore. Random questions. How do you get the indicators you guys on maxoptionstrading.com. Maxoptionstrading.com, you can get our indicators. Today it's 10% off also. because we just launched the website. And that's how you can hit our indicators, the quantum and the PHP. And I also use, I don't talk about it much because I don't use it during the power hour, but I use the advanced orb. Advanced orb is a large part of my new strategy that I use.
Let's try to break through here. The 1 minute has to close above. And then we're gonna see that 96. Well, it might just go there now. It's going to 96 right now. There's 96. There's a rip through 96. Can it keep going? Then would be 25,007. That's a 2 minute level. Yeah. There goes. Look at that. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay. I think I'm done. I'm done. I don't even know why I'm still talking. Let's do the giveaway.
All right.
We just freaking murdered. I mean, I shouldn't say it like that, right? We just freaking demolished and owned the market today. Oh gosh.
We need 80 more likes on YouTube.
All right, let's start giving away on the Discord. If YouTube doesn't get there, screw them. They can go and watch other people and do other things that they're not going to get from us here because we are obviously not real traders, apparently. All right. When we're probably far better than a lot of people y'all watching. All right, let's go to random number generator. So let's show some love where we get the love, the Discord. We get some love from YouTube. We show some love to YouTube. YouTube you guys gotta come up, man. All right, 176 is the first number, brother. 176.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oof. Geo, you're a student of mine and you don't have the right MOT test. Geo, JC Coolman, what are you doing? What are you doing, man?
Come on, dude.
Are you just
Get
teaching people in a different Discord the CSO way? That's how I'm going to interpret it as, Geo. You have the CSO course and every indicator in the book, every indicator, it's a CSO course, and you're in a different server.
Yeah. All right, next number. 210. Si hablo español, Diego. Isaiah, why didn't you call that long? What are you talking about?
That's 10 head. He's fucking with us. Ignore him. Don't ignore him. Don't answer him. Don't answer him.
You little
He's
son of a.
he's one of the guys that has 10 accounts. Don't answer that one.
Losses are more important than wins. When it comes to learning, yes. 25 150 going up. It's been going up from like 300 points ago when we said full port long. I couldn't full port it, but that was 300 points ago.
Jane D, you are a VIP member. So because you are a VIP member, you obviously are not going to get an indicator because you already have access to indicators. So Jane D, if you come up on stage, talk us about your trading, you're going to get an account instead.
Ooh, let's do that. I like that. All right.
Mo, why do you keep tagging Max? No, you timed him out. That was good job. There you go. Good job, mods.
I gotta accumulate all my little things here. Take my little thing. I mean, yeah, Jane, we can hear you. How are you?
I've been doing okay.
Uh-oh.
Up and
I don't
down.
like the
I did pass one of the account today, eval today, but I feel that was just like pure luck. Um,
Mm,
haven't been following my rules. It's a little frustrated.
okay. All right. So why do you feel it was pure luck?
Gosh, I was just gambling. I was down this morning like 500, moved my stop loss, and I gambled on. I was trading micro, then I switched to mini, and
Mhm,
I got lucky on one of the trade, and all of a sudden I was up like 500 profit. So passed one of the account and just I was I didn't follow my rule. I should be down a lot today. Uh, although I ended up my day green, but I wasn't really happy about that.
okay. So what do you feel is your problem? Like what do you feel is the reason that you're not consistent? Because
Accept
if
a
you
lot.
got
Definitely,
you
that's
can't
my
accept it all. So putting those
bad.
stop losses hurt.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I've been fighting this problem for a very, very long time. I still can fix it. It's very frustrating.
It won't stop until you stop. I'm going to tell you straight up because that was my issue before as well. And I've said this many times in my sessions and in my, coaching as well. My flip did not occur until I was able to learn to lose, right? Being able to accept the now because I lose. People think I don't lose. I freaking lose all the time. But my losses are so controlled. I have my rules in place, right? My 3 strikes I'm out rule per account. I have my risk factors all in the quantum chat. It's all in there, exactly how much I risk and everything. And I have to stick to that. If I don't get payouts as frequently as I do. I tend to blow accounts way more if I don't follow my sizing and my structure. If I YOLO, I always tend to burn accounts here and there, right? All those things happen if you don't follow your rules. So until you can get really, really strict with yourself, you're going to keep going through the cycle and it's never going to end. And it sucks. Following rules sucks. We all love to break rules, right? We bend rules, and
It's hard.
especially when it's just you. When it's just you, there's nobody else there. There's Max or me or Logan ain't gonna slap you in the back of your head and say, "What are you doing? Stop!" Right? It's just you. You gotta smack yourself in the back of
I
the
know.
head, and you gotta
Exactly.
listen to yourself and be like, "What am I doing? Why am I not stopping? I need to stop." And you have to be able to stop and take little baby steps. Like my thing, right? When I take a loss, I don't look at the P&L. I don't because it's pointless. I know it's a loss. And if I look at the P&L, guess what? I'm immediately going to try to make back what I lost on the
Yeah.
next trade instead of just following the routine. Take the next setup. If it's a winning trade, great. And then if I don't make back what I lost, I don't care because it's still a winning trade, period. And then
Yeah.
I keep following the cycle. So it's very important for you to follow your rules, build them, right? And get better as you break them because you're going to break them. It's hard. It's very hard.
It's hard. Yeah, I
It's-
know, losing is just part of the game. Somehow, every time I have a losing trade or I have a losing day, I'm telling myself, do not do that again. I have the to-do list right in front of me. I made a board, the things that not supposed to do, but it's just like
Mhm.
every single time I break the rule when I'm in a losing trade, it's just like very,
Yeah.
very, I don't know what's wrong with me. It's just very frustrated with
Nothing's wrong
myself.
with you. Nothing's wrong with you. You're going through the same thing all of us have gone through. And you're not going to hit that turning point until you can accept it and actually stop. That's it. It's that simple. It literally is that simple. Every single one of
Doesn't
us
come
lose.
easy.
Every
Just
single one.
come easy to me is like I'm still fighting it. I know.
Mhm.
Um it works out faster for somebody. But for me, it's just I've been fighting this for like a year. Somehow it's just I don't know. Maybe my
Look,
upbringing, is just so hard.
your turning point hasn't come yet. That's simple. Your
Oh,
turning point hasn't come yet. You're
I
gonna find that turning point where you're really gonna get sick of your own. Like Lama said, you're not gonna get rid of. You're not gonna turn until you get sick of your own shit. You get sick of right. Mine was blowing that
I'm
huge
sick
payout
of
I
it.
was had coming.
I'm still
No, you're not sick of it. If you still break your rules, you're not sick of it enough. You have not hit your turning point.
It's I'll tell you this, Jane. I apologize. I was disconnected from Discord,
no.
but I'm back. What I think you and I talked about this briefly in the past, maybe at the event or anything like that. But the thing that you also we don't really realize, and this is why some people do the like literal trading psychologists, is our past, our upbringing, who we are, our personalities will have an impact on our trading.
I agree.
True.
Right? It absolutely will. Because the way that I was raised and my background in the military and all this stuff, like failure is unacceptable. Like failure is unacceptable. You cannot fail. So the thing is that what we fail still even to realize and understand is we'll get into a trade. We followed all of our rules. All the criteria was met and we lose the trade. We did everything right. It met the standards. We take a loss.
Yeah.
But we still, because of our childhood, our upbringing, our past, our role in life, will instantly think, I failed. I need to make up for this failure. I failed.
Yep.
You didn't fail. You did everything you were supposed to. It just didn't work out. The market is unpredictable. We cannot guarantee a 100% win rate. But because in your head you think that you're a failure, what do you end up doing? You try to make up for it. You're going to
Right.
overtrade or oversize,
Right.
or then you're going to break the rules and do something wrong. And like Javi said,
Right.
it's going to come a point in time where you're going to realize, okay, it's not the trading setup. It's me. It's always been me. I keep thinking because of this and this and this and this. And it's almost like you have to humble yourself and also be okay with failing, which is a weird thing to say, because I always tell everybody this. I said, I've never failed anything in life. I've just learned from something and I've adapted to it. And that's something that you have to try and change your mindset on, is think, I lost this trade. I'm not a failure. I didn't fail. Why did I lose this trade? Everything made sense. Do I trust the strategy? Yes. Okay. Let me just try again when it's an appropriate time. That's why recently I've had so much success in the past, even the 2 weeks. I've been trading for a long time. I've been very profitable. But the last 2-3 weeks of my extreme success, Apex had a very psychological grip around me. It did. Straight, everybody knows this, because Apex was my first accounts I traded with. People who was a Mastermind student saw Future Strat 2. I passed my Apex accounts. I was going to be this big, glorious student. I was about to get a massive payout. I did all this stuff. I popped my accounts because of an accident. It messed with me so hard psychologically. I have withdrawn 5 to 6 figures from every single prop except for Apex. Why? Because in my head, I have to beat Apex. I am not a failure. Apex isn't better than me. I know better. I can do this. And I let it get to me. But once I started to accept the trade strategy works, Logan, you know how to trade. You know your strategy works. Just because you didn't win today is okay. It's not your fault. You are not a failure.
Amen.
The trade isn't a failing trade. It's just not today. And then come back tomorrow. And now,
Yep.
sure enough, I've had 2
Amen.
losses over the last 8-9 days, and I just withdrew $55,000. Right? You have to take that into consideration, Jane. You're not a failure. You're upbringing, your past. It's hard on you. You have expectations. But trading is in a whole different world. Nobody else is judging you by your trades. It's you versus you. Nobody else is involved.
Yep.
And that's what you need to think about.
Damn, don't fill your head with doubt. You got this. Like, trust me, everyone can do this.
I know. I'm not gonna
There's
give up.
nobody in this world that can't do this.
It's probably gonna take longer, but I will keep working on it. I'm not gonna give up. Thank you guys for your help.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
And Jane, here's
bro.
what we're going to do. We're going to give you an alpha account. So open up a support ticket. You have all the indicators. So we're going to give you an alpha account, 0 plan. All right. Take it slow. Win or lose. One and done. Move on to the next day. Right. And you and I and the VIP students also have a class on Wednesday. So we'll go over that exact strategy that I'm talking about between me, you, and the VIP students. We're going to go over it and go in depth on it. All right, Jane?
Appreciate it. Thank you guys.
Absolutely. Talk soon.
Thank you.
All
Bye.
right, we're going, Jane.
Thank you.
All right. Now let's give away some indicators.
Let's do it. All right. Did we ever get to the likes on YouTube? Let me refresh. I have to refresh. 162. Dang.
Only at 162. We need 200 likes on YouTube, guys. Let's go back to
All
the
right.
score.
Next number 114.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you verified, Steven Trades? Yes, you are. Steven Trades. Come on up. Whoa.
Hello.
Steven, what's going on, man? How you doing?
Really good,
Oh,
thanks. How's it going?
Steven Sean.
How's your training going, brother? Is he Pauling goes this Asian guy?
Yeah. We saw.
It's not
We heard it
what
coming.
you expected.
No.
No.
How's your training going, dude?
And you sound and your accent also throws me completely off.
Yeah, I can imagine. Well, trading last month I had my biggest month ever, and it was all green, and it really fucked up with my psychology a little bit. Like ego
You're looking at
inflation.
perfections after that.
And then I tried to scale and then fucked it up. And then I blew that account that I had all those green days, but I was just like, I picked myself back up and I was like, I've got it in me. The trader in me that had that consistency is there. It's just like, the psych stuff. I was telling people about my payouts and I was just like, just tone it down a bit. I think I kind of self-sabotaged myself a little bit there.
Yeah, you started stroking your own dragon before you were like consistent. I know.
Yeah,
I know. We've
exactly.
done that. We've
But
all done that. We've all
Yeah.
like one thing that I like that I think was it Rob or I forgot who said this. I don't think it was Rob. I forget their names, but at the event, right, when they were talking about payouts and money and this and that, he's like he doesn't like to talk about that so much because you're kind of sabotaging yourself in a sense. You're
yeah,
putting yourself in this position where all of a sudden you're expecting it and you've told everyone about it, and then you add this little pressure on yourself that you might not notice is really there, but I just told people I'm getting this 20K payout.
yeah,
Now I have to fucking get this
exactly.
thing, and you're getting into a trade that probably not is not going to play out, and you should get out of it, but you're not because all of a sudden you're like, shit, I'm supposed to get
Yeah,
this
Friday,
payout. And then you start
Friday I
size
did that.
heavy and
Friday I did that. Yeah. Friday. So my students know this. Friday, there was no criteria for a trade, and I shouldn't have taken a trade. But in my mind, day 8, I can get the payout right now if I hit this trade, and I forced a trade. Now, fortunately, I had good risk management and I took the L and I was able to get the payout today. But I did that because I kept thinking about the payouts and the money and all this stuff. And I forced a trade that I shouldn't have done. Right. I got lucky. I managed my trade and risk management. Otherwise, I could have just completely fucked myself out of the profits that I've made. But it's the exact same thing. And Javi and everybody knows this too. I've talked about November was one of my October, November was one of my biggest months ever. December cooked everything. Why? Same reason. Same reason as you, right? The ego got to us. We got a little bit in our heads and we started to expect that the market is always going to be like that month. Nope, not going to be like that.
Yeah.
Right?
Like I walked it, I kind of like went into March thinking it's possible to get that same consistency, but I can't put that pressure on myself to perform in the same way because it's just unrealistic. So I kind of just pulled myself back down to earth a little bit, and now I'm, kind of getting the ball rolling again. 2-3 trades a day, lock it out, log
Good.
off.
Good, man. Well, hey, man, keep it up. Keep your head up. You've done it before. You know you can do it again, right? Just keep the ego aside. And this is coming from somebody who's very egotistical. Just put your ego aside. You'll do all right, brother. So open up the support ticket. You get access to any indicator free for an entire week. Congratulations, man.
Awesome. Thank you, guys.
Absolutely.
Go, brother. Congrats.
All right, YouTube. How we doing? Did we get 200 likes yet?
Let's see. Let's refresh.
177.
It's weak. So weak. So weak.
We only have 150. All right, fine. You know what? YouTube.
Are we gonna cave? We're gonna cave for them.
We'll give them one. We'll give them one opportunity.
Fine.
What's the word going to be?
We'll give them one.
The word is going to be on hate. Kate.
Hate.
Hate.
Play a haters club.
Hate.
Hate.
J-E. Hate.
Play a haters.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Who did I land on? Oh, damn, he didn't even spell the right word. Keep going. Keep typing it. Keep typing it.
Keep typing it. Some of y'all can't spell hate, apparently.
4, 3, 2, 1. Ra PV8BR. Ra PV8BR. You have won any indicator free for an entire week. Congratulations. Raw PV8BR. Congratulations, open up sport ticket. You get access to any indicator free for an entire week. Tenhead, I'm not going to pick you. Like, I'm purposely not going to pick you. You've already admitted to making multiple accounts to try and win something on YouTube. That's cheating. I'm not leaving you one. Yeah. All right, guys. Really fun power hour. We were chilling, shooting the shit. Javi was talking about like the market going nuts, Dom going nuts. I looked over to the left. I said I'm entering. Javi and I got in at the same time, ripped up 100 points. That's pretty much it for me. $9,000.
And then it shot up 300 points too.
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh.
Fun power hour, guys. Hey, don't forget, guys, today and today only, maxoptionstrading.com. The official launch today, 10% off on all indicators, all courses, only today. So don't forget to check it out, guys. Tip our staff. Don't forget to tip our staff, please. They will greatly appreciate that. Also, on top of that, guys, sign up for the coaches, sign up for coaching with Javi, sign up for all the stuff, guys. You guys know what to do. That's all I've got for today. I will be setting up a video on my $55,000 Apex request tonight. Looking forward to doing that. With that being said, do not forget, guys, happy hour starts in 2 hours, hour and a half. Log in, watch Izzy and Coach. Very entertaining. They're absolutely crushing it also. Tune in with them. Yes, that's all I've got. Javi, what do you got?
Guys, amazing power hour again. Love the volatility. That crazy spike up was fun as hell to play and watch. Enjoy the rest of your days. Have fun, right? Don't stare at the markets for like an hour and a half. You'll survive. You'll live. The market will be here. You get to trade at 6 p.m. again if you're degenerate. Follow our socials, YouTube, X, TikTok, Instagram, all that fun stuff. Hit the like, subscribe, tickle that bell, right? We'll see you guys again tomorrow, Power Hour. So, not financial advice for JJs. It's always a fun time. Peace out.
Later, everybody. Anarchy, do your shit. You know what to do.
Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. They said life after death, they was never that close. Hit the wheel, love, I be in the back road. Then it flipped on his head, that's a fact though. 2 wheels to the chest, had a body on a gurney. Out from the crowd, make the whole place scurry. And I know they were worried, but it wasn't my time. Came back in a hurry. Life gave me a burden, turning in my trip, turned into a gift. Starting all over, I was starting to trip. Took a little trip, turned into a brick. Then I did again. Took a little trip, turned into a brick. Then I did again. Took a little trip, turned into a trip. We in and out quick. Let my head go, heat of my head go. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. Let my head go, heat of my head go. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero.
Big win in the morning, let's celebrate. Poppy need a steak on the plate. A little wine, the white wine, the Sauvignon Blanc. New father, I'm doing my job.
Can't do what I used to do. This life ain't just for me, it's for you. I'm focused, keeping my emotions from overflowing. To me, it's like an ocean that never ends. So when you learn how to swim, you never get wet. And you never forget that you a vet. I keep you in my mind every second. I hope you never had to feel how I felt. But you gotta know the truth. My life without you was no life at all. Quantum shift, quantum doing shift, then I did it again. Quantum shift, quantum shift. We in and out quick. At my head though, heat of my head though. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. At my head though, heat of my head.